Well, it is a new year, which means it's a time to check out Thompson Building Materials' new stuff, for lack of a better word, because there's so much going on here. I'm here with Derek Pritchett, General Manager. Thanks for having us out again. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And we are checking out this brand new kitchen island that you've installed. And everything that we're looking at here is available from Thompson Building Materials.
Yeah, this is the latest in the barbecues from Fire Magic. It's a 50-inch barbecue, gas grill. We've taken out a couple burners here. It's got a built-in searing station. Incredible, everything down from rotisserie down to a meat thermometer that has a digital readout on the display.
Just beautiful.
Yeah, gorgeous. The see-through window for the hood. It's just gorgeous unit. Below it here, we've got a beautiful warming drawer to keep food and stuff that's already prepared while you're still cooking, warm so it doesn't get cold.
So you don't have to run back in the house.
Absolutely. If you do want to keep it cool, we've got a nice, beautiful refrigerator here that's built in. This is just for the propane tank in there, and then a nice beverage center that you would keep stocked with ice and your drinks and everything. It's a bar caddy down here in front. And what you see here on the countertop, what might look like poured in place concrete, is actually natural stone. And it's honed and finished, beautiful natural veins running through it with the color. So you're not going to have cracking like you would with a polished concrete. And polished concrete is very expensive and very difficult to do.
I can't believe that's not polished concrete.
Yeah, no, it's incredible. It'll be this color hundreds of years from now. So it's gorgeous. Board form down here below makes it look like a wood veneer. That's from Creative Minds. A great new product. There's no sanding, no maintenance, no fire. It's bulletproof.
But I also want to go back. You breezed right past it, but you said this door is just to hide the propane tank. But I want to point out that this is part of the Thompson Building Materials design element, where you guys have thought of that and you found a place for it and made it accessible, so it's not a pain in the butt when it's time to change it out or get it done. And this is part of the functional kitchen outdoors.
Real easy. It just slides right out.
So everything from these appliances to this not poured concrete countertop that I'm looking at here that's so beautiful is available here at Thompson.
That, and then the other thing you want to consider also is your lighting. Make sure you've got plenty of lighting underneath your countertop spaces so this thing lights up at night and just is gorgeous.
Oh, perfect for entertaining.
Absolutely.
All those entertainers out there, this is exactly what they want in their backyard. I can see it. So if you're ready for a beautiful outdoor kitchen like this, Thompson has all the materials. If you need an approved home pro, we can help find you the right person to get it installed for you. But if you're not quite ready and you're just thinking you want to have an addition to the backyard, you have this incredible, I want to call it a do-it-yourself fireplace.
Assemble yourself, yes.
Assemble yourself. Yeah, let's be politically correct. But I did hear off camera you telling your staff that you actually had a big hand in putting this one together.
I did. There's actually about 5 or 6 pieces here that just assemble and go together and bolt together. This product is an outdoor fireplace, and it can be equipped with natural gas or liquid propane. Different finish options, a couple different colors it comes in. Of course, the fiberglass can be selected in a number of different colors. It's by American Fire Design, and the same company also puts out those outdoor fire bowls and some other fire elements and water fountains and that kind of thing.
Which I know you have available here at Thompson, and I just want to be sure you can attest that the average homeowner can put this together.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Just right off, it all comes assembled on one pallet. Like I said, there's 4 bolts and away you go.
Thompson Building Materials has everything. They have a full working indoor home that we haven't even touched on today. We've seen it in the past and we'll definitely be back to check it out again. Or just pop by. They're open 6 days a week and all the staff is ready to help you out, pick out what you need for your home. Back to you guys in the studio.